Welcome back, traders. John Caruso coming to you here for another trading week, coming from the CME Group floor on behalf of RJO Futures. We're here to discuss the currency markets here, but first we're going to take a look back at some of the news that we have seen throughout the course of the day. Late day as far as the data is concerned. We didn't see anything come out on the economic data front. However, we did get some news from the S&P rating agency this morning that gave the United States a credit upgrade. They upgraded us to stable. Initially, we did see the equity markets rally. We put in a high in the S&P up at about 1648.5. We also did hear from Fed President, St. Louis Fed President James Bullard. He did mention that the recent jobs data that we've seen come out would give the Feds a reason to possibly taper QE. However, inflation readings and the inflation data that we've seen come out over the recent weeks would suggest no tapering. So the market had a little trouble deciphering that news from Bullard. We did see the equities eventually finish a little bit slightly higher, but well off the highs, off the highs by about 7 points. You finished down around 1642 on the S&P. Switching over the currencies real quick. Looking at the USD, the U.S. dollar index, we did see that come in on strong footing here today. The correlation between strong dollar, strong stocks, that remains intact. We did see the U.S. dollar pare back its gains and actually finished down 2.5 on the day, as we did see the S&P and Dow Jones come off of the highs. Looking at the euro currency, strong day in the euro currency, up 31 ticks today at 132.62. We did see some stronger numbers come out of Europe last night. Also, over the course of the last 2 weeks, we have seen some strong German economic data as well. So the euro rallied up 31 ticks, 132.62. We are going to have some resistance coming in up around 133 to 133.30. So look for those levels as potential areas to be bearish on the euro currency. Looking at the Japanese yen, that was another big mover in the overnight. We did see that actually fall. We closed down about 129 points on the morning, on the afternoon at 101.44. We did see the Nikkei rise last night in the overnight. So the correlation between weak yen, strong Nikkei, weaker Nikkei, stronger yen, that remains intact. We look for that to stay pretty tight moving forward. Looking ahead, Thursday, we do have jobless claims. We also have May retail sales. Friday, PPI, industrial production, as well as consumer sentiment. And then, of course, next week, we do have the FOMC meeting and their decision on interest rates and monetary policy moving forward. But we'll see you back before then. Once again, I'm John Caruso. Feel free to give me a call over at RJ O'Brien. Once again, the number 800-669-5354. And as always, trading futures and options carries risk. It may not be suitable for all investors.